Hi, we've got another food review on the Discord. If you want to join these, join the Discord. It's on the description down below. Anyways, let's start off. Chicken nugget starting out strong. Beautiful chicken nugget plate up, and we got a video with free feet. Why are the nuggies triangle? Oh, we even have ASMR. And what's going in the pan? Dude, that is a very worn pan. Oh, the little swoosh. Good job, Frog. You know what? Since Frog was the first one, and I like chicken nuggies, I'm gonna recreate your dish, Frog. I'm gonna make chicken nuggies. I'm gonna do this thing where I recreate one dish from every single food review. So, Frog, you're it. Watch the next food review. Sorry for bad lighting. I made a cheesecake with raspberry and blueberry sauce. Looks delicious. I would definitely eat that. Chef Mattson, of course, Chef Mattson has a beautiful plate up right here. We've got squash blossom soup with pancetta, crispy Brussels leaves, and toasted pepitas. That is fucking beautiful, dude. Chef Mattson, always doing beautiful stuff. Lance Firestaff, tom kha, carrot puree, crispy rice, cilantro oil. Stunning sear on those scallops. That looks so good. Rusmine, free food pick. It's just grass. Pozole rojo, musakan, rumaniye, borani banjan. Okay, first time in a while where I don't know any of this fucking stuff. I've never heard musakan, never heard of rumaniye or borani banjan. Sorry if I'm saying any of it wrong. I only know pozole rojo, obviously, but these all look really good. I even like your platings. These are nice plates. If you could explain what these are next time, please, I would love to know. Angela Guletta, a few Italian and miscellaneous dishes for you. Tuna onion pizza, butternut squash pasta with crispy guanciale, braciolette alla Messini. Google them with a side of risotto and basil salad. So it looks like Angela got like the whole smorgasbord here. Wow, nice. Thank you for showing your entire week with us. Roger Cheeto. Apple habanero glazed pork belly burnt ends. That looks fucking dank. Cheddar cheesecake, jalapeno pork, beef sausage. Are you at like a barbecue restaurant? This looks like a southern restaurant or something. This looks dank. Is this just at home? I'd eat all of that. Hokussing, butter basted scallop, spiced corn puree, sweet pea puree, Thai pickled ginger, caviar, salmon roe. An app I'm trying to get on the menu at a restaurant I work in. So this is an app you're trying to get on the restaurant you work at. You got salmon roe, caviar, pickled ginger, sweet pea puree, spiced corn puree, butter basted scallop. I would add some sort of crunch to this. It needs like a crunch on it. Maybe like a puffed rice, something crunchy. It looks great though. Not the best lighting, but I made some soba noodles with chili oil and fried black bean tempeh. You gotta just clean the lens so it gets rid of the fog. But I think the fog adds like some nice like hazy cinema style. I like it. Chef Mattson again, chicken tinga chicharrones with roasted corn and avocado salsa. Dude, I think we need to give Chef Mattson like a trophy or something. He's like really crushing it here. Dashboarding is always showing what he gets out to eat. We've got Cane's. I've never tried Cane's. Have you tried Cane's?
No, I haven't.
I've never tried Cane's. I hear it's good. Isn't there a Post Malone special?
I think there is.
Yeah. Bean pole, house rolled gnocchi, Creole daub, crispy garlic, parsley, and celery micros. Can somebody tell you, can't fucking talk to it. Can someone tell me what Creole daub is? It looks really good though. I'd eat that. Nashi, again, back in Hawaii. Tom yum fried rice on this beautiful plate. I think I have the same plate from Wajimaya. Arang, Asian pear marinated skirt steak with an egg, spring onion, kimchi, and rice. That looks bomb. I even like your plating too. And also the curly like green onions, that's nice. I don't know if you used ice, but you can definitely use ice and water and drop them in that to get like that nice curl. Muslim Walter White says, made this for lunch. Beef bacon, fried egg, coconut rice with chili oil. Subby said, what about your halal shit? Pig eating? And then this guy says, it's beef bacon. All right. Biker, coming in strong with the dolphins. We've got a dolphin party with grapes and bananas.
Yo, that's legit.
If you have too much time at work, I guess why not? Friend told me to take a picture of this. I promise I can actually cook, says Ayla. Ayla? Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. It looks like it was macaroni and cheese with a hot dog.
A single shaboing boing?
Shingle. Yeah, just one shaboing boing. And this fucking banana that you need to throw away. This looks like a stock photo, dude. Dude, this is a stock photo. What is going on? Hey, if you made this, looks great, good job. Dobius says, tried to make the fancy omurice because I had traditional omurice 3 nights in a row. That's omurice. Oh, it looks good, man. It even has the demi and everything. Speaking of demis, I should probably check my demi. I have a demi going myself right now, as you can see. And still needs a little more time. It's all good. Nashi at the beach again. Potluck picnic on an island with shrimp biryani, chicken, potato cutlet. Looks freaking bomb. Paper plates, my style. You don't have to do dishes.
Where's our invite, dude? Not
Where is he? I know. For also 1:25 in the morning, dude, and it's still sunlight. Where the hell are you? And then, holy fuck, dude. Sladrian, you really slayed this. Yo, we've got a Master Chief cake below a beautiful wedding cake. I'm assuming this was the groom's cake and that was the bride's. This looks really good. Damn.
It's like
yeah.
Halo 4, isn't it?
Yeah, that's Halo 4. I want that. Please make me one. That looks so good. And I'm gonna end it on that because that's pretty amazing. Thank y'all for joining the food review. Post your food reviews or your foods for me to review in the Discord, link in description. I'm gonna do more of these and I also wanna recreate them. So post a video, details, all the stuff. See you next time. Peace.